Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to enable push to talk in OBS Studio so your microphone only works when you press a key. If you want to reduce background noise or only speak when you choose, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Click File. Then select Settings. In the left menu, click Audio. Scroll down until you find the hotkeys section. Enable push to talk for your microphone. You can also adjust the push to talk delay. This controls how long your microphone stays active after you release the key. If you are not sure what to use, the default value works well for most people. Click Apply. Now open the hotkeys tab from the left menu. There are many hotkey options here, but you can use the search box at the top. Type push. You will now see the push to talk settings for your microphone. Click inside the push to talk box. Press the keyboard shortcut you want to use. For example, you can use Ctrl plus T or any key that doesn't interfere with your games or other shortcuts. Once you have chosen your hotkey, click Apply. Then click OK. Now let's test it. Watch your microphone level in the audio mixer. Without pressing your push to talk key, your microphone should not transmit any audio. Now press and hold your assigned hotkey. You will see the microphone meter move and OBS will capture your voice. As soon as you release the key, your microphone will stop transmitting after the delay you configured. If push to talk doesn't work, make sure OBS is the active window while testing. If you simply want to mute or unmute your microphone manually, you can click the speaker icon in the audio mixer. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to enable push to talk in OBS Studio and assign a custom hotkey for your microphone. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.